Welcome to this tutorial on modifying the Bootstrap light dark theme. We'll start with a prepared index page that includes a heading, a paragraph, and a Bootstrap card, along with a layout page featuring a navigation bar with a primary background color. First, we'll change the primary color to match our color scheme. Then, we'll add the theme manager to the app, keeping the default settings. After the last menu item, we'll insert the theme switch, update the icons to Font Awesome, and assign the manager. Once we save the document and view it in a browser, we'll see both the typical dark and light themed pages. But what if we want to make these themes more vibrant? Back in the layout page, we'll use CSS to change the body background color, by setting the Bootstrap body background variable to a new color with 30% opacity. Viewing the page in the browser will now show the updated light and dark themes. Feel free to experiment with different colors and opacities to create your own unique themes. And that is it for now. Hopefully this can help you for your project. Thank you for watching.